Okay folks, I'm going to do something I never do, which is record a video of my room, the Nantucket suite at the Beach Club at Disney World. Here is the entryway. You have a closet, and you can see in right here. Nice little credenza or something. Some windows. Oh, scary. Okay, now we have the little half bath. And on to the beautiful living room. We have this little bar area with this nice mother of pearl background. Backsplash, I should say. A little desk to do some work. Seating area. Now I'm taking this at night, so you won't get to see the view as much, but I'll show you. We have two balconies in here in a minute. Can't really see out there too well, but we'll go out in a minute. So this is balcony one, which has chairs, which not all the ones at Beach Club do. And it's actually a really nice view. You can see Boardwalk way down there. A lovely Beach Club kind of plaza. And this nice big balcony. And then on to the bedroom. It's a one bedroom. This really, I gotta say, beautiful bathroom with a jacuzzi tub and a nice walk-in shower. Didn't notice, is it a rain shower? No, unfortunately. Water closet. Oh, me again. Ugh. And then, of course, Mickey. And these nice little chocolates, I assume, and then even a note from them, which is kind of nice. And then to my other balcony, which is smaller and standing room only, but quite nice still, with a lovely view of Stromalong Bay. Very happy to be here celebrating what I admit is the second part of my doctoral celebration because of my wonderful husband, who's so encouraging of me, and much cooler too. Thanks for watching.